Numerical number 11 dot product of two vectors. In the diagram, along the direction OP, vector A is acting, along OQ, vector B is acting. And vector B acts at an angle theta with the direction of vector A. Now vector B is resolved into two rectangular components. Vector B is resolved into a rectangular component vector Bx in the direction of vector A, and vector B is also resolved along OY axis, and that component is vector By, and the component vector By is perpendicular to vector A. Given vector A equal 2I cap plus 3j cap, comma, vector B equal I cap minus j cap, and we have to find the component vector Vx, component of vector B in the direction of vector A, that is vector Vx. We have to find vector Vx and mod vector Bx, mod vector Bx. The component vector of vector B, the component vector of vector B in the direction of vector A is vector Vx equal mod vector Vx A cap, that is vector B dot A cap, vector B dot A cap bracket closed A cap, equation 1. We know the formula of component of vector B in the direction of vector A as vector B x as vector B dot A cap into A cap. Now in the direction of vector A, we consider a small unit vector having magnitude 1. Small vector having magnitude 1, that is A cap, unit vector in the direction of vector A, and the component of vector B in the direction of vector A is vector Bx is equal to vector B dot A cap bracket closed A cap. This is the formula of component of vector B in the direction of vector A. Now the unit vector of vector A is given by A cap equal vector A divided by magnitude of vector A. Mod vector A, or that is magnitude of vector A, is equal to I cap plus 3j cap divided by magnitude of vector A is root over 2 square plus 3 square. From the expression of vector A is 2I cap plus 3j cap. That's why magnitude of vector is root over 2 square plus 3 square. Finally, we get A cap as 2I cap plus 3j cap divided by root 13. Divided by root 13. Root 13. This is the unit vector of vector A having magnitude 1. Therefore, vector B dot A cap equal, putting the expression of vector B and A cap, vector B equal I cap minus j cap dot bracket opened 2I cap plus 3j cap divided by root 13 bracket closed, root 13 bracket closed. Now multiplying same type of rectangular components of I cap and j cap, that is 1 into 2 by root 13 plus minus 1 is from minus j cap, 1 into 2 by root 13 into minus 1 into 3 by root 13. Here minus 1 comes from minus j cap. So finally we get minus 1 by root 13. This is vector b dot a cap. Vector b dot a cap. Vector b dot a cap. That is the magnitude of component vector of vector b in the direction of vector a. Therefore, vector bx equal bracket opened vector b dot a cap bracket closed a cap. That is minus 1 by root 13 bracket opened 2 I cap plus 3 j cap, 2 I cap plus 3 j cap divided by root 13. Hence we get vector Vx as minus 1 by 13 bracket close 2 I cap bracket opened 2 I cap plus 3 j cap bracket closed. So which is vector Vx? We get the expression of component vector of vector b in the direction of vector a, that is vector Vx equal minus 1 by 13 2 I cap plus 3 j cap. This is component vector. Component vector of vector b in the direction of vector a. The direction of vector a. This is one of the answer of this numerical. Now you have to find the magnitude of this component vector mod vector bx. Bx is equal to mod vector bx, which is what square root of sum of square of rectangular components of vector bx, that is minus 2 by 13 whole square plus minus 3 by 13 whole square. And that is 2 square by 2 square plus 3 square minus 3 it should be. So root over 2 square plus 3 square divided by 13, which is finally we shall get 1 by root 13, which is bx. Mod vector bx or bx. This is what magnitude of component vector in the direction of vector a. Magnitude of component vector. Magnitude of component vector of vector b in the direction of vector a. In the direction of vector a. This is one of the answer of this numerical problem.